In the world of industrial automation, safety is a critical concern. Conveyors, machines, assembly lines, and other automated processes can pose serious risks if proper safety measures and equipment are not in place to protect workers. That's why emergency items like first aid kits and fire extinguishers are kept within easy reach, and most employees have quick access to their safety officer's contact information. These provisions are all part of maintaining a safe and productive work environment. But where do these workplace safety standards come from? If you're currently employed in the United States or have held a job here in the past, chances are you've heard of OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Established in 1970 by the U.S. Congress and then President Richard Nixon, OSHA was created with the belief that no worker should have to choose between their life and their job. As a federal agency, OSHA sets and enforces standards designed to ensure that employees return home safely at the end of each workday. OSHA typically reviews and adopts safety standards, often drawing from the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, and other organizations. However, OSHA also enforces the General Duty Clause of the Occupational Safety and Health Act, which requires employers to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards that are causing or are likely to cause death or serious physical harm. This clause means employers may still be responsible for mitigating hazards acknowledged by major international standards, such as ISO, IEC, or others, even if they're not explicitly required by U.S. law. While OSHA is generally the enforcer of workplace safety regulation, there are several other notable organizations, each with their own scope that affect North American safety standards. Two key organizations are ANSI and the NFPA. ANSI, founded in 1918, is a private non-profit organization that coordinates voluntary consensus standards in the United States. ANSI works with government and industry stakeholders to develop and maintain standards that address national and international priorities. ANSI does not create standards directly, but accredits organizations that do, ensuring fairness, transparency, and balance in the standard development process. The National Fire Protection Association, the NFPA, established in 1896, initially focused on fire sprinkler system standardization. Today, it addresses broader areas, including fire prevention, hazardous materials, and public safety. The NFPA publishes over 300 consensus codes and standards and offers training and certification to promote fire and life safety globally. Supporting these organizations are standard development organizations, SDOs, such as UL, ASSP, ASSE, and FM Global. These groups are responsible for drafting and maintaining the technical safety standards applied in many industries. These standards have played a vital role in improving safety and protecting workers across industrial settings. At Automation Direct, we offer a wide array of products to help your facility meet these safety requirements. Our product line includes light curtains, safety-rated controllers and relays, and safety mats. Just a few examples of the tools we provide to keep your work environment safe. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting a new one, Automation Direct has the solutions to help you comply with current safety standards. Visit us at AutomationDirect.com to learn more about our safety products. Click here to learn more about our safety products. Click here for more videos.